Hi, this is Chris with Mobile Experience. This is part 2 of an UpNote video series I'm doing for desktop. The first is how to insert a table into a note and use it as a template. You simply click on New Note. We're going to call this Tables. Oops. Hit enter, and to insert tables, you hit Control-T on the keyboard. You're going to be given an option of the number of rows you want. I'm going to use this as a template, so I'm going to click 10. I only like 2 columns personally. And there are your tables. Then you simply click on the ellipsis, click Copy to Templates, and now you have it as a template. If you want to, let's go ahead and delete this, move this to the trash. Let's say you want to create a new note. You simply select from templates, click tables, and it's done. Next feature I'm going to show you is how to lock a notebook. We are currently in this art notebook with lots of drawings and paintings. And you simply click lock. You can use that if you have to step away from your computer for a few minutes and you don't want anyone snooping on what you have. So we're going to unlock that. Is how to import an email into UpNote. Evernote gives you a dedicated email address and you simply email in your notes. UpNote doesn't offer that feature, but there is a workaround. You simply open up your email. I'm using Gmail. You go into the email you want to save to UpNote. You click the ellipsis. You scroll down to print. And you'll see here it says Microsoft Print to PDF. And there's a preview in the left pane there. You click print. You give your email a name. I'm going to call it cards. And you click save. We're going to reduce that window. And I simply drag and drop into my UpNote note. And there it is, both pages. And finally, the last features I wanted to show you are exporting and importing from your backup. First, we're going to import a note from Evernote. You can select your Emacs file. That's the Evernote proprietary format. I've gone over that in a previous video, so I'm not going to go over that again. I recommend you use the file name as your notebook if it has a relevant name. And UpNote gives you the ability to convert tags from Evernote to notebooks, but I highly recommend you don't do that. With Evernote, you can have the same tag in multiple notes. In UpNote, it doesn't work that way. If you try to import Evernote tags, it will create a new notebook for each tag, meaning that if you have the same tag in multiple notes in Evernote, you will get a new notebook for each time a tag is used. The next thing I was going to show you is how to export all of your notes. You type in your password. And you get the option of exporting to text, HTML, PDF, or Markdown. And the last thing I was going to show you is backup. You can back up as frequently as every hour if you like, or daily. Maximum number of backups is 50 at minimum to unlimited. Your version history of your notes that can restore a note to a previous version if you deleted some data within the note. It's minimum of 50. You can have as many as unlimited. You can export all of your notes as Markdown, and it doesn't by default back up your attachments. You have to tell it to do that. I highly recommend that. You can view your backup folder. It's not very interesting. You can select your backup folder. I like mine on the desktop, so it's easy to access. And you can also back up immediately if you want to. It doesn't have to be a minimum of an hour. Now, to restore a backup, it's very simple. Let's say you deleted a notebook. All you have to do is go back to a previous date that you know was the latest version of your note that still had all the data inside that you want. And your restore options are to overwrite all data or only restore deleted data if you only deleted one note or notebook. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment below if you have any questions.